Hi everyone, my name's Phil.
And I'm his little brother Rich.
And last year we decided for our next adventure bike trip we'd do the ACT Portugal.
So we watched the DVD
We downloaded the GPX file
and started planning for the trip.
Okay, so I've got everything I need ready for the trip now, so now I've got to get this into this. Okay, morning guys, here we are at the start of the ACT Portugal. Let's go find some trails.
Let's get on it.
Wow, so we're a few miles in and we stopped for a break, and look how beautiful this is.
From this angle you can see Phil making us a cup of tea, and more importantly the beautiful bulb patch that he is sprouting on the top there. Morning, Friar.
Morning, sir. Age doesn't come alone, guys. Whew. Okay, so we're pretty much finished the second hard part of the day, and that was quite hard. Couple of drops, but we spent the time getting the bikes back up rather than filming it. But we're just taking a break in the shade because it's flipping boiling and we're knackered. And that's probably why you can see a bit of the camera shake, because my hand is shaking. All good fun though.